I have found you now, Super Link, and I will crush you to smithereens. Whatever you do, don't kill, please don't, please. Ha 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 ha. Got ya. We are here because we have to cover those aims for Link for SuperZero School. Don't scare me like that. Let's get started then. First aim, can you convert between units when comparing lengths and distances? Example, meters to kilometers or centimeters to meters. Well, when I travel to school, the distance between my house and school is precisely 3,450 meters. So that means that you travel 3.45 kilometers to school, or 345,000 centimeters. That's correct. Woo yeah. Alright, next aim. Can you record lengths or distances using decimal notation to 3 decimal places? Well, if the M5 is 2,457,100 centimeters, how many kilometers it then? I'm not kidding, but we learned that at school not even 3 days ago. I know, that's why I said it. It is precisely 24.571 kilometers. Correct? We've surprisingly got 2 out of 2. Good. Next aim, can you explain that the perimeters of squares, rectangles and triangle can be found by finding the sum of the side lengths? Well, when you are trying to find the perimeter of a square, because all of the sides are the same length, it would be a waste of time measuring all 4 sides. Just measure the 2 vertical sides, then times it by 2. Then you'll get the perimeter of the square, and it works for a triangle too. Only an equilateral triangle, because all the sides are the same length. So if you measure one side, and then times it by 3, you'll get the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Totally awesome. Alright, next aim, can you estimate, measure and compare the perimeters of squares, rectangles, and triangles? This is really tricky. I think if the square had an area of 25 centimeters squared, I'd think the perimeter of that square would be 20 centimeters. I thought that because with area of a square, you have to times 2 sides, and you'll get an answer of 25 centimeters. Now with a rectangle, if its area was 30 centimeters squared, the perimeter would be 26 centimeters, because you have to times 1 horizontal side by 1 vertical side, which means 2 sides have to have been 10 centimeters and the other 2 sides are 3 centimeters. Yeah, we got it. Oh baby, she's got it. With a triangle, if its area was 6.5 centimeters squared, then it would obviously be 10.5 centimeters. Pooh, yeah H. Next aim for length. Can you select the appropriate device for measuring a perimeters, distances and length? Well, it is very easy that aim. Be quiet and start answering. Okay, well I know that you can use a car, because in the car it records how many kilometers you travel on the highway. And that's called an odometer. Now if you were measuring the perimeter of a small square, it's quite obvious you would use a 30 centimeter ruler. We got it. Final aim for today, can you interpret symbols used to record speed in kilometers? Well, I only know one answer for this, and it is simply kilometers per hour, which its abbreviation is kilometers per hour. That's exactly what I thought. Thank you for watching us perform our aims for school. Now it's time to really crash you to smithereens.